compulsory license related, only one case is there in India, that is Natco Pharma versus Bayer actually. So, it is a very that it is a 2012 March, this was like that was a landmark like a judgment granting a first ever a compulsory license. Okay. So, what happened here that sorafenib that was like a drug, anti-cancer drug, okay, Nexavar. So, marked as that trademark is a Nexavar, sorafenib is a that is the molecule actually. Okay. Now, here this particular Bayer, like we know that 3 conditions for compulsory licensing, which section, and these 3 conditions, find out please. Okay, we have discussed that. So, that was not fulfilled, that one of the condition, if it is not fulfilled, compulsory license will be like given to the other that party who is interested and who have given the application. Now, Natco has done that particular application, and that was the first case, landmark case, and in that that Natco have received that compulsory license. Okay. So, this is a simple first case about that compulsory